Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra, Book 5, the Flower Bank World. Above this, past as many worlds as atoms in a Buddha field, is a world called Clearly Seeing the 10 Directions. Its Buddha is banner of pure cultivation of all virtues. Above this, past as many worlds as atoms in a Buddha field, is a world called Pleasing Pure Sound, shaped like Buddha's hand, resting on a sea of networks of jewel lights, covered by clouds of all adornments of enlightening beings' bodies, surrounded by as many worlds as atoms in 20 Buddha fields, all uniformly pure. The Buddha there is called unimpeded light, illumining the entire cosmos. The enlightening being universally good also said to the great congregation, "East of the repository of undefiled flames, sea of fragrant water, is another sea of fragrant water, called subtle body of mystic emanation. In this sea is a system of worlds called well-arrayed different quarters. Next to that is a sea of fragrant water called adamantine eye banner, with a world system called bridges adorning the universe. Next to that is a sea of fragrant water called beautiful arrays of various lotuses, with a world system called constantly producing emanations in the 10 directions. Next to that is a sea of fragrant water called gapless diamond wheel, with a world system called dense clouds of jewel lotus stems. Next to that is a sea of fragrant water called flames of wonderful fragrance adorning everywhere, with a world system called Vairochana's acts of metamorphosis and emanation. Next to that is a sea of fragrant water called gold banner of jewel dust, with a world system called realm of the Buddha's protection. Next to that is a sea of fragrant water called blazing lights of all colors, with a world system called supreme light shining everywhere. Next to that is a sea of fragrant water called realm of all embellishments, with a world system called jewel flame lamp. There are as many such seas of fragrant waters as atoms in unspeakably many Buddha fields. The sea of fragrant water closest to the perimeter mountains is called crystal ground, with a world system called always radiating light, composed of the sounds of the pure eons of the ocean of worlds.